Now, today we'll be talking about how to fund your wallet and how to buy things from the website, and to actually sell data, sell a pin and others from the website. So let's log in now. So if you don't have the website already on your phone, you can click on download app from this. Download the app. So if you don't have the website also, you can easily go to www.atmhubs.com. So when you click on it, press enter. So if you are just watching this video, you don't know how to register, please refer to my former video on how to register on this website. So but here we want to log in and do some stuff. So click on login, enter your username and password, then login. So it will bring out notification. Now click on funding to fund your wallet. See, this is automatic funding. You will be given three account number. We have Wema, we have Sterling Bank, we have Money Point Microfinance Bank. So from this place you can easily copy any account number, then go to your wallet or your mobile banking app. From my own, I'm using PalmPay, so you can use this for example. PalmPay, ordinary PalmPay. You can go to PalmPay. uh, so when you go into PalmPay, click on transfer, or if you have OPay, if you have any other bank like UBA, Access Bank, transfer to bank, transfer to other bank, then paste the account number. So if you don't know how to copy and paste, you can easily find biro and paper, put the account number on a paper and then type it here, then look for the it's like money points, right? We copy money points account number. So click on money points, then it will bring your the name of the website, which is ATM Hub, and then 3 digits out of your first name. As you can see, Kingslock is my username now, but it bring KIN, which is the account number is actually mine. So I can click on next, confirm, and then enter the amount. So you can easily send 2,000 naira, 10,000, 2 million to the account number. Once you okay, I don't have up to that, so then enter your pin. After you might have sent the money to the account number, then go back to the website or the app if you have the app on your phone. So go back to the website, your money should appear here. Because this is not my real account, so I did not send the money, but I have my personal account which I will log into now and show you how to buy stuff on the website. So let me log out. Okay, let me explain some things to you. If you are API user rather, you want to have your own website, you want to edit some of your settings, you can click on settings here. You can click on settings. We have pricing, we have profile settings, we have API settings. You go to profile settings, you can easily update your profile, you can reset your pin, you can upgrade your account. You can actually upgrade your account to we have API user are those that are our affiliates. They have their own website, but they are using our own API to sell something on their website. So we also have affiliates. Affiliates are those that are referring people to us also. We have top user, those are ones that are depositing with big money, 10,000 naira upward. Then we have earners. Earners are those that just registered. They may not have money on the website, but they just registered can fund their money. They can decide to upgrade their accounts at 500 naira only. You can upgrade it to the maximum uh, with 500 naira to top user. Want to upgrade to affiliate user, you can upgrade with 1000 naira. If you want to upgrade to API, you can upgrade with 30,000 naira, but you must have fund your wallet with minimum of 30,000 naira. So let's go back to let's look at another settings here. We have pin reset. Under this pin reset, the old pin is automatically there, so you just have to do is put new pin. So put new pin. The pin I used before is 1234, so I can change this now to 2345, right? So you just click on save changes. Pin changed successfully, so you don't have to stress yourself about that. You have changed the pin successfully. Now let's go to this profile. Here you can easily put your bank details. Like my bank now is Access Bank of Nigeria. Then slice it, put your phone name. My name is Olakunle Yinka, right? Access Bank Olakunle Yinka, that is correct. So and account number, slice it also. You can slice it to put your account number, and then put your account number. Zero 5963451 you have done that. So you can, if you want to decide to change your password, you can change your password, but I'm not changing my password. I just click on change. Okay, invalid. What is the mistake here? Okay, sorry. The program is that you must change your you must, for to add your bank account details, you have to enter your password and also re-enter your password at the same time. So that will change your password for you and also add the account details. So that's about that. Then we have the last one, create account. Let's assume you have a shop, and then you are the owner of the shop. You have an account, but you don't usually stay in the shop. You want your apprentice or your sales girl to stay in the shop, and you want them to be using the account to sell data. So you can easily create sub accounts for them here, so that you can monitor everything that is going on their account, so that you can easily do your accounts at the end of the day. Let's assume you create this account now, you will give it to them. Meanwhile, you are seeing everything they are doing from your home end here. You'll be seeing everything they are doing from your home end, but they will be using this account. They won't be able to log into your main account, because the main account is for you as master of the shop. But you can log in here, do whatever they want to do here, and then make profits for you. So you'll be able to trace it from your hand, everything they are doing. So that's about that. And then let's go back to settings again. We have API settings. From this API settings, you can easily copy your referral link. Let's see API settings, but I'm not going to that today. Let's just copy a referral link. This is our referral link. You can easily copy it, copy, and then start sharing to your people online through WhatsApp, through Facebook, through anywhere. You can easily send it to them. So you make money for sharing your referral link on social media. Anybody that registered and pay minimum of 1000 naira, you get 200 naira on each person. So let's go to history. History will show everything you have been doing since the day you register this account. Everything it will show one by one, and then let's go back to home. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time.